Introduction to green cabbage farming. Green cabbage is one of the most widely grown and consumed vegetables in the world. It's packed with essential nutrients, easy to cultivate, and highly profitable for farmers. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced grower, mastering high-yield green cabbage farming can significantly increase your production and profits. In this video, we'll take you through the step-by-step process of growing green cabbage, from choosing the right variety to harvesting at peak quality. You'll learn expert farming techniques, modern irrigation methods, and effective pest control strategies that will help you achieve a successful harvest. If you're looking to start a profitable vegetable farming business, green cabbage is a great choice. It grows well in different climates, has a strong market demand, and can be cultivated using organic or conventional farming techniques. Let's dive in and explore how you can grow healthy, high-yield green cabbage, choosing the best cabbage varieties. Selecting the right cabbage variety is crucial for a successful harvest. Green cabbage comes in different types, with variations in size, growth time, and disease resistance. The most popular varieties include Golden Acre, Copenhagen Market, and Late Flat Dutch, each suited for different growing conditions and purposes. If you're farming in a cooler climate, go for early maturing varieties that produce a harvest in around 60–70 days. In warmer regions, opt for heat-resistant varieties that can withstand high temperatures without bolting. Additionally, disease-resistant hybrids can help minimize losses from pests and fungal infections. It's also important to consider your market demand. Some buyers prefer smaller, compact cabbage heads, while others look for larger, heavy heads for bulk sales. Green cabbage can be grown from seeds or seedlings, depending on your preference. If starting from seeds, sow them in nursery trays and transplant them after 4–6 weeks when they develop 3–4 true leaves. Direct seeding is also possible, but transplanting ensures uniform growth and early maturity. Proper spacing is crucial to allow plants to receive enough sunlight, airflow, and nutrients. The ideal spacing is 12–18 inches apart in rows that are 24–30 inches apart. Overcrowding can increase the risk of diseases and result in smaller cabbage heads. Planting should be done in moist soil, preferably in the early morning or late afternoon, to avoid transplant shock. Cover the roots properly, firm the soil around the plant, and water immediately to help it establish quickly. Cabbage plants are vulnerable to pests like aphids, cabbage loopers, and flea beetles. To prevent damage, farmers use integrated pest management (IPM) techniques such as crop rotation, introducing beneficial insects, and using organic sprays. One effective method is planting companion crops like marigolds or onions, which naturally repel harmful insects. Organic insecticides made from neem oil or garlic spray can also keep pests under control. For disease prevention, proper air circulation and crop spacing are essential. Avoid planting cabbage in the same field year after year to reduce soil-borne diseases like clubroot. Cabbage plants are heavy feeders, requiring a balanced mix of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium for optimal growth. Nitrogen N promotes leafy growth, phosphorus P strengthens root development, and potassium K enhances overall plant health. Applying organic compost, fish emulsion, or well-balanced fertilizers such as 10–10–10 ensures that the plants get all essential nutrients. A side dressing of nitrogen-rich fertilizer 3 weeks after transplanting will encourage bigger, healthier heads. Regular fertilization every 3–4 weeks is recommended, but avoid over-fertilizing, as this can lead to excessive leaf growth and smaller cabbage heads. Cabbage is ready for harvest when the heads are firm, compact, and reach the desired size. Most varieties mature within 7–100 days after planting. Use a sharp knife to cut the head at the base, leaving a few outer leaves for protection. Avoid pulling or twisting the plant, as this can damage the roots. Harvest in cooler morning hours to maintain freshness and store cabbage in a cool, dry place before transportation. By following these step-by-step techniques, you can achieve high-yield green cabbage farming successfully.
Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon. Write your suggestions into comment box. Stay tuned for more amazing content.